How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 is not charging. So let's start the video. First of all, check your charger and cable works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger and cable. After that, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on battery and then click on charging settings. Now here you can turn on your fast charging. If you turn it off, then turn it on. After turn on fast charging, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.